Continue.
Hi, I'm Dr. Asif. I'm going to address this TM joint. Here is subluxation on the left side of the TM joint. Just open your mouth. Yes. Close. Open. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close.